some southern potato salad, y'all. Yeah, y'all see the ingredients. Yeah, everybody do the potato salad their way. We do this potato salad this way, man. The Drippy Mack way, you heard me? Show you the potato salad with that twist, man, with that beautiful twist. Yeah. Yeah, we got some tricolor bell peppers, yeah, you heard me? Those sweet peppers. A lot of people like to use celery for their crunch. You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with celery. I like to use the celery sometimes, but for my crunch, we're gonna use some sweet peppers for our crunch today, y'all. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna top them things over with a beautiful olive, yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna top them things with some beautiful olives, some pimento, some sliced olives on top of it, yeah. And I don't want to forget about it, because we're doing this the drippy way. We're gonna chop that thing over with a few drips of, few chops of chopped bacon on top of that thing. So y'all just watch me as we go along, y'all. Yeah. So we're gonna start off right here. We're gonna take these peppers and these onions, and we're gonna chop them. We're gonna dice them up, y'all. Dice them up like y'all fine. You see, I'm like to dice them up. So we're just gonna use this for make them look pretty. Yeah, and then we just want to have that crunch. Not too big, not too small. You heard me? Yeah, we're gonna do it just like that. Just like that. Just chop them up. Yeah, we're gonna dice them up. Yeah. You can dice them up how you want them. If you want them big, you like them big, you can do them big. But we're gonna just do them small, y'all. We ain't gonna do them too big, not too small. Just gonna dice them up like that, y'all. We got some pretty salads, y'all. I'm gonna chop a few of these, dice a few of these olives up, y'all. Just a few of them, y'all. You heard me? We just want a few of them, y'all. Yeah, just a few of them. You never know if you don't go to the olive store, you know. The other olive, this for topping. They didn't make it look pretty. That's for garnishing. You heard me? That's to make that thing look pretty at the end. But I'm gonna take and throw you a few of them. You know what I'm saying? So just in case somebody get one at the top, they don't get jealous. I'm gonna have a little, just a taste of, just a little bite, so everybody could get a little bite. Yeah. You're gonna say, oh man, that potato salad, that was a fool, man. Oh yeah, but this is how we're gonna do it, y'all. This is how we're gonna do it. So I see y'all, I did my eggs early. My eggs and my potatoes, you know what I'm saying? I did that a little early, got the little prep. Now, so what we about to do now? We about to take these potatoes. I'm gonna cut these potatoes up, y'all. I always wash my knife, y'all. I ain't trying to tell y'all to do that, but you know, use the chopping board. Use the chopping board if you have to. Don't try to do like me, you know what I'm saying? Do like you, do what's safe for you. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. So since I got this big old bowl, look, I'm gonna do it in the bowl so I can make y'all feel safe. You can do it in the bowl too, just like that. Look. Just cut them in quarters and just cut them down. Yeah. So we want some potatoes, not mashed potato salad. So we want some chunks in them potatoes. You heard me? I ain't gonna bore y'all with this, but I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna do the same thing with all these potatoes right here. You heard me? Let me be back here and we're gonna dress these things up. You heard me? Now you see that I got the potatoes. I finally finished dicing the potatoes up. Got the potatoes diced up. I got my eggs diced up. You heard me? Get ready for the next step, y'all. Now we go back over here. Remember I got them sweet peppers and that red onions, and I did dice a little few of them them olive things up, y'all. So we gonna add that to our bowl before we make our sauce, y'all. So yeah, so we got our eggs and our potatoes, nice and diced up. Yeah, nice. Now potatoes in chunks, y'all. Olives just like that, and then we're gonna add our sweet peppers. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that. Then we're just gonna get every toss, y'all. We're just gonna toss it, y'all. Yeah, toss that thing just like that, y'all. Then we're gonna make our sauce. We gotta make our sauce. We gotta come with our sauce. I'm just gonna toss that thing like that. Yeah. Now remember the season we did earlier? Remember that season I told you we had our little season we made up from our little concoctions. Yeah, with our little concoctions, the season we made up, we just made a little bit, just mix it all up in the bowl right here. We're gonna add a little bit of the season to it, y'all. Yeah, just like that. No salt, so you can add a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna toast the thing a little bit more. So we're gonna let them potatoes get ready to set. Get ready for that sauce. We better make that sauce, y'all. Yes, tell that drippy sauce, y'all. So you about this sauce, we about to make that Drippy Mack sauce for the potato salad, y'all. Yeah, just like that, y'all. I told you. Yeah, take that Drippy Mack, y'all. We gotta make that sauce. We gonna use a little mayonnaise. Yeah, start off with some mayonnaise, y'all. So we got about 10 nice potatoes, so we're gonna need to make enough sauce to cover all those potatoes, y'all. So and then you don't want your potatoes to you don't want no running, you don't want the potatoes to be running, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna add a little mustard. Mm-hmm. Then we're gonna add some of that sweet that pickled radish, y'all. Yeah. Just a little mustard, just for the color, you know what I'm saying? Just for the color, y'all. And then we're gonna add some of this that dill pickled radish. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. And then that'll secret. I just want some of the olive juice, y'all. Some of the olive juice, just use some of the juice, y'all. Just that juice, y'all. And then we're gonna just mix this up, y'all. We're gonna mix that up, y'all. Remember, we ain't putting no sugar in, y'all, so we using everything natural, y'all. No sugar. We want that bite. Yeah, we want that bite. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that season. The house season we made up, yeah, for the house. I'm gonna add that to that, a little bit to that, yeah. Two parts of the face. Yeah, that pretty color. So remember, they gotta go on them potatoes, y'all. We gotta put this on top of them potatoes, y'all. I'm just gonna pour this all on top of it, y'all. Yeah, just like that. Get all that. We'll get all that Drippy Mack. And we're just gonna fold it in the potatoes, y'all. And just fold it. We don't want to turn it too hard. We want mash the potatoes up. We want our potatoes to stay across the hole. So we're just gonna fold that in there, y'all. Look, just fold it. Just fold it. Just fold it in there, y'all. Yeah, just fold it in there, y'all. That is just beautiful. That just is beautiful, y'all. So we're gonna add just a few green onions, y'all. You heard me? Just a few off in there. Just a few. And then we're gonna add a little bit more. Yeah, that house season, y'all. We're gonna add the house season to it. Just to get, oh, beautiful, yeah. And we're gonna mix that thing up just like I showed you. Yeah, just toss it. Yeah, see that? Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that, y'all. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just like that, y'all. And that's when you gotta win that. That's when you gotta win that. I just want to taste this, y'all. I just want to taste this myself, y'all. Yeah. Give you a presentation with this thing. Right back in a minute.
Wow.